Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a cooking video and I will be making pan seared chicken with garlic olive oil noodles, and I'll be doing some French cut string beans. So let's get into the video.
First thing I'm going to do is wash my hands with some soap. Get them nice and clean because I will be cleaning this chicken and then cutting it up. Alright, nice and clean. Alright, let's turn on this cold water. Get all this extra soap out of here.
I think this is just water, not soap. Alright, let's take this chicken and put it in here. We're gonna rinse this. And then we're gonna clean up all this extra fat. And then slice it, because look, all this extra skin. Maybe I can pull this off. Alright, I'll be back when I get to the next step. Alright, so my bad. Alright, I'm back with the chicken already cut up. I cut up all the pieces of fat. Now I'm about to season it with some salt, 2 Sazon packets, some black pepper, some garlic salt, not a lot because I don't want it to have too much salt, and some Italian seasoning. Then I'll be back when it's time for me to pan sear it in the pan with some butter. Alright, let's get to seasoning this chicken. Some salt. Not a lot because I do not want this salty. Then I'm going to add in a little garlic salt because it has some parsley flakes in here that I want to use. I don't want to just use the parsley, so I'll just use some of this. Give it a little bit of extra flavor. Not a lot because I don't want it too salty. Then we got some black pepper. Then we're going to add in some of the Italian seasonings. Oops, that's my stomach. Mind that. Sprinkle in some of that. Alright, this looks good so far. Alright, maybe a lot of this. Alright, then we're going to add in our 2 packets of sesame. I be hating how these drinks don't be wanting to open. Then it's time to mix it all together. We gonna get us some nicely even coated chicken. Yeah, like why the heck is she singing? I don't know either. That's just something I do. I'm not a singer, but periodically I do be singing. Sometimes it be sounding good. Sometimes it be like, what the? Like, just shut up. All right. This is what I have now. I am basically just going to mix this all together, and I'll be back when I get to that part. Let me take off my ring, because I do not want nothing up there. All right, let's get to mixing this chicken. All right. And then it'll be time to get the pan going. And I'm also going to be doing some string beans and getting the pasta going. So, okay. Alright, so let me wash my hands real quick, and then I will show you what the chicken looks like after it's been evenly coated in its seasonings. Okay, so here we have the chicken, easily seasoned and coated well. Now I'm about to get the pan ready to sear this, and I gotta get a plate so I can put the chicken on when it's done. All right, on to the next step. Okay, here I put some frozen string beans into a pot. I'm about to add some water, then add some salt and salt and pepper, and then put this on for a boil. And then I'll be back when it's time to pan sear the chicken again, like I said before. And then I will be starting on the garlic olive oil pasta, which will be this right here. This pasta right here is the truth. All right, let's get on with this video. Okay, I'm back. Now I will be adding the butter to this pan here. That's here. I have a pan here that I'm going to put the chicken in once it's done. I already have the green beans on. They're on a boil. And I have this pot here has water in it for the pasta, but I'm not putting that on yet until I get this chicken done. Or majority of the chicken done. And then we're going to put this on low. Well, a medium. Just so that we can get it nice and hot. And then we'll be adding in the chicken. Alright, now we can get a great view. I might have to move this back. There we go. Now we can get this. Got the butter. And let's add in some chicken. Alright, we're going to add in these pieces of chicken. And then we're just going to let them do their thing. I can touch it like this because it's not that hot. Alright. Let's go to work. Because you ain't got to work. Because you ain't got to work. Alright, I'll be back when it starts, getting a little hotter. Oh my God, if y'all can just smell what I'm smelling from the other side of this camera. Oh my gosh, this sure looks so good. It smells so good too. I wonder if I should add in another piece of chicken. I may add a little bit more butter. I'm going to put a piece right here in the middle. And then I'm just going to let this cook. Look at that. It looks so pretty. Look at all the little juice on the side. Yeah. Alright, I'll be back when we get further along. Okay, I have 3 pieces of chicken that is done. I've added in some more. I'm about to cover this so that it can get done a little faster. All right. So I put in the last batch of chicken. These right here, all of these right here, these got to stay in a little longer because they're a little thick. But these 2 right here are the last ones that got to get done. So hopefully it won't take that long. Then I'll be on to be making the pasta. So I'll see you when I get there. Peace. Oh, excuse me. The chicken is done now. I'm about to bake it a little bit just so I can guarantee that the chicken is all the way cooked through and get it a little bit more caramelized. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the oven and I'll be back when it's time to make the pasta. Okay, so the water is now boiling for the pasta. And now we'll start adding in the butter, the pasta, and the seasoning. Okay, let's get straight to it. Alright, so now I'm going to add in some butter. I think this is enough. We're going to add a little more. Alright, this is the butter. That part is done. Next, we'll be adding in 2 boxes of pasta. This is the seasoning packets. Always make sure I get all the noodles down from the bottom. Alright, let's throw some in here. Alright, that's... Alright, this box is done. And then we're going to add in the next box. Just the other seasoning. Alright, that's done. Now we're going to add in the seasoning packets. It smells so good. If only you can smell what I'm smelling right now. This smells so divine. Next, we're going to stir, because we do not want no clumpy noodles. And then we're just going to bring this to a boil. The most it should cook for is 8 to 10 minutes. So, yeah, that's just basically it. Alright. I'll be back once the noodles are done, because who wants to actually see noodles boil? Alright, oh, I'm going to show you how this looks so far. So, y'all can see that it looks good so far. Alright, this is the noodles already mixed in together, and it's starting to bring to a boil. And we have the string beans over here, which are done. These are the string beans. They're done. Look at all that steam. Don't those look pretty? Alright. Let's check on this chicken that's in the oven. Alright, and that's the chicken baking to make sure that it's fully done, because I do not want to overcook this chicken. Alright. Okay. These are like they're almost done. Nope. The noodles are done. That looks so good. Now all I gotta do is wait for this chicken. And alright, that's done. I wonder if this chicken is done now. It smells good. Oh, and they got a little caramelization on this. Alright, I think everything is done. Okay, thanks guys for watching my video. Comment down below any more cooking ideas you would like me to, cooking videos you would like me to do. And that's it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Until then, we out. Peace.